Okay, today we're unboxing this high-speed monster truck.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, today we're unboxing this high-speed monster truck.
Truck.
Goes 42 kilometers per hour.
It can go.
That's pretty fast.
And it can go.
14 and up, so I'm good.
It can go
It's a new category of road excitement. I'm good, yep. A new category of off-road excitement. Truck suspension technology for superior handling and control. IPX4 waterproof level. The IPX4 waterproof level protects itself from splashing water and waves.
You splash water on it.
So it can get wet. You don't want to go underwater with it, but you can get wet. Go through a sprinkler or something. You know?
Sprinkler.
Go through mud.
It's so cold.
There is the controller. Remote control, 2.4 gigahertz.
That you always see.
Distance of 60 meters. It's got a steering left-right adjuster. And when the car left driving, fine tuning should be adjusted to the right. When the car right driving, fine tune, adjust to the left. So you're gonna have to get used to this and play with it a little bit. Four-wheel independent suspension system, independent metal differential. What happened? Light, the whole car use, metal universal joint, sealed ball bearings, metal transmission. So this is a high quality monster truck. You can see it's in the desert on the sand. And this shows all the transmission shaft, the wheels, universal joint.
Top on?
Yep, they're just showing all the stuff that's in there. It's high quality parts. It's not a cheap plastic thing.
The top, there is.
High speed monster truck.
Monster truck, full proportion.
High speed.
You got that one already?
Yep.
Get this side ready?
Bottom.
The
Bottom.
bottom.
Yep.
And there she is. 9.6 volt battery charger. It's a USB.
Double A.
AA, what does it say that? Oh, right here. Requires 2 AA batteries for the remote control.
Not included.
Right. But on the truck, it's got its own battery, chargeable. So now we're gonna take it out of the box. You ready?
Okay, unboxing.
Open it. What's inside it?
Oh, here we go. Oh,
Instructions.
high quality instructions too. Look at that. Huh?
Oh, I see the wheel. Wait, it's upside down.
I'm supposed to unbox it.
It's upside down.
Hold on. Let's not rip the box.
Ooh,
Uh-oh.
look at
Oh, it's on the
that.
desk.
It's so cool. Look
It's a
at the
monster
legend.
truck.
Yep.
Okay, there's nothing in here.
Okay, we gotta cut this. Got scissors?
So hard.
It is.
It's better some big scissor. Honey.
Oh,
Yeah, we got it though.
I didn't see it. It's gray. I got the controller's right in the middle. On the bottom.
Yep.
Hold on.
See the tire.
There we go. Still
Don't take the
there.
tire out. Just get the.
Ready?
Let's get the tape off first. There we go.
There it is.
The controller. This is the controller.
Wow, look at that. Ooh, there he
See
is.
it?
Okay, I see what's holding it. Let me
I know
unbox it.
that. I know
RJ
that.
excited. Not yours, RJ. For daddy it is, RJ.
It's my truck.
Yep, daddy truck.
I'll let you use it. There's one over here too. Hold on.
It's hard. Ooh, there you go.
See the bottom of it.
Ooh.
I got the controller.
Look at that controller.
But this is backwards.
Ta-da!
Ooh, you get no daddy. Look at that. Wow. Nice.
It's like some kind of tape or something in there.
Turn. That's how you turn.
Goes backwards too?
Okay.
Yeah, you go backwards.
Triggers to go forward. You gotta put batteries in it.
Look at the back of it. It's like a bumper. Oh, look at this. Look.
Yeah,
Yep.
good suspension. We'll put batteries in and we'll be ready. Instructions like one page. Here, if you want to take it apart, here you
There
go.
it is. Here's the back.
There's the assembly instructions,
Yep.
but it's already assembled.
Yeah.
Then you turn it.
And here's the side.
Oh, that's very heavy turning.
Yep. Look at this. This.
I'm gonna get the batteries.
So if something breaks, we got a complete parts
Is
list.
the front. Look
Okay.
at that.
Parts list.
Yep.
In case something breaks.
Wow, how about that? Nice. Look at the truck. Okay, we unscrew for daddy.
And then put the batteries in.
Yep.
Zzz. And you're going like this.
Cannot see. There we go.
First screw.
Ooh,
Oh.
look at that.
Batteries. First one.
First one.
Put the flat part against the spring.
Yep.
Ta-da.
Second. Okay, put the battery cover back on. Let's not turn it on yet.
Yep. We try in the backyard.
What's on the bottom of it?
We testing in the backyard, RJ.
Okay, it's on.
It's turned off.
Here's the switch on off for the controller. And I don't know if it slides or what. Temperature, I don't know what that is.
It slides.
No hub. Oh yeah. If you turn on.
Cable come with the battery, with this?
Maybe
Turn it
up
on.
there.
It's blinking.
There's supposed to be a USB charger. Where is it?
There is.
Open it. Open
What
it.
inside? Unbox the small box.
The mini box.
The mini box.
Careful, there's small parts in here.
There is the
That's
charger.
The charger.
What's
What's
that
that?
extra screwdriver?
We got a free screwdriver. Yay!
Yep, the small.
There's the charging unit.
Yep.
USB.
Let's see if there's anything else in here.
Ooh.
No, there's nothing.
Okay, let's look to see where you charge it.
Screw it, sir.
Remove the truck body.
Ah, see? You remove the
Oh.
truck body. Ooh, there's the pin.
The last one.
We call these cotter pins.
The cotter pins.
Okay. See, I would have kept the front and the
Look
back.
at that. Ooh.
Brad, what?
I don't know what's going on. Oh, you're supposed to put these together after it's charged.
And then
Oh
I
my
have the
goodness.
Frickel batteries.
Got that.
Should fit right in. There we go.
What happens if I do this?
Oh, it fell out. Okay, where are we going to plug it in?
No, that.
Here's the USB.
No.
Charge for a while.
Yep. Here's the charge for a while.
Okay, this is the body we took off. It's got a protective covering that's got to be peeled off before we use the truck.
There is.
Which is very hard.
I'll hold it.
Ooh, look at that.
It's the whole thing. Right?
Looks like I'm unwrapping a NASCAR video game.
This is a brand new unwrap. Look at that.
Goes all the way down the side again.
Ooh, it's
Got
shiny
it?
now.
Got it all?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's much nicer. Okay, let's put the battery in now.
Okay, the battery only few minutes and
It must have been
full
previously
charge
charged. We'll see how long it lasts.
now. Yeah.
Okay, so unplug it.
Okay.
Take this out.
Place it in here.
Okay, full. See?
That's what I did before.
Just do that this whole.
Okay, so this is the charger. There's the battery.
I'm gonna try to drive it
I
first.
don't know what this is. Does the battery switch off? Can you tell?
Where?
It's off.
Right there.
Yep. So,
Plug. First, place in the battery thing. The three batteries.
full side. There you go. And then put in there.
You have to place in the battery.
Yep.
How did this go in? It's,
Place it in.
Just do that.
nope, doesn't place in.
Yeah, just that.
Well, there's a cover here that's gonna.
Yep. Yeah, it's okay. That. Good. See? Okay, that one.
Oh, and then you have to
There you go.
and then get the top upside
I
down.
want to look at it first. You can see the red light flashing in there.
Yep.
It tells you it's on.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the front? Where's the back?
Okay, the
This is the
Get those
cover.
cotter pins. I'll get the back, you get the front. There's two stubs right here. I have to go through these holes.
I got them.
Okay, give me a cotter pin. Give me one. Just one.
Cutter pin. Cannot see.
See it?
There you go.
One for me is in.
Where is it? C, RG.
You get one in?
Got one in a while ago. The second one doesn't go in.
I got one in. The second one doesn't come in for me too.
Okay, let's switch.
Switch for daddy, RG.
Try this one.
RG. Maybe
One
it's
more.
We should have kept the front and the back.
yeah.
This one.
It is same.
Yeah, it looks the
Oh,
same.
I did it.
Oh, you did.
It
RG.
is.
It does matter, huh?
It is so long.
You bad.
There you go. Ooh.
I beat you.
There he is.
There
I
we-
beat
Have
you.
all the body now.
Okay, let's put it on the ground outside.
Yeah.
Ready? Bring that.
It's tasting.
Oh, it's a big one. Huh?
Today is a nice day. It's nice to play with
Hey,
daddy.
don't let me get over here. Don't
Daddy
do that.
playing.
Let's try.
Look at that, RJ. RJ.
It's good on the grass, huh?
Oh, look at that.
So fast.
Yep. Oh. Come here, here. RJ, back here. RJ, back here. RJ.
I turned it. Ready?
Ready?
Here, ready. Stop. Stop, RJ, so fast. My goodness.
Let's see the wheel.
Okay, back.
Hey,
you scared? Are you scared?
You put it down right there.
Oh, look. See?
Bring it onto the counter.
Ooh. Look at that, Archie. Oh no. Turn around, Archie. Turn
Ready
around.
for the dirt?
Okay, the dirt.
The dirt right there.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, so dusty, Archie. Look, there you go. Ooh, look at that, the dirt. The dirt racing. Dirt racing. Look at that dust. Wow. So dusty. Oh my god. Ooh, good. Small circle here, Arjun. Ooh. Oh my god, look at that.
It sinked it.
It's dusty. My goodness. He circle.
There goes something.
Wow, look at that.
Here's the steering wheel.
Need to put, we forgot to put that on.
When it goes on one side.
When we went turning, it went so dusty and went so close. All the dirt just went up.
Full of dust now the truck. And then we forgot to put that, what you call that, honey?
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
For the wheels of the truck.
We didn't know, but we had to fit this thing on. And now we put it properly.
Yep, there is. We turn the wheels. Okay. Try to
Let's
circle
go
again.
dirt racing.
Dirt race.
Ready?
Small circle. Speedy that again. Woo!
See how fast it goes.
So dusty. My god. It's so dust. Okay, go Arjun. Easy now to control.
The, what it's called.
Wow, look at the dust. Oh. Oh my god. Back up, back up.
It's stuck on once again.
Back up.
Sandy.
Okay, go to the grass, RJ.
Okay, here it goes back.
Go circle to the grass, RJ.
Okay, here it goes up.
Look, look.
Okay, let me go. Okay, to the
Full of dust. Okay, go in the grass.
Here.
You're so fast to the... Ooh. Okay, go there, RJ.
Straight away.
Be careful, have a car.
Go on the sidewalk, go back. Go towards that ramp.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh no. Be careful.
Okay, bring it. Let's see if we can go down the street.
Okay, go.
Watch how fast it goes. Full speed down the street.
Okay, okay, go, RJ.
Okay. Here goes back.
What? Ah, my goodness. Stumbling. Stumbling. Stumbling.
Here goes. Okay.
Okay, here. Go. Come here, RJ. Ah,
Right there, back.
yeah. Oh no.
Back it up.
Okay, back up here.
Butt sticks out of the fence.
Good, go there, RJ. There in the ice.
So windy today.
Go bump into the ice. There. Go.
Bump it in the ice.
Yeah.
Go down this.
First I bump it in the ice.
Ooh, you know.
There
Go
you go.
straight.
Ready?
Okay, go straight.
Gotta try to.
Okay, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, why you turn?
I can't turn it.
Go straight.
Very hard to turn.
Go straight. RJ, go straight. What you doing? I cannot see. It's so fast, RJ. Okay, circle there. Circle. Small circle, RJ. Oh no. Oh, look at that. Kick.
Hold it like this, and then you want this side go forward. You want to go backwards with that, then turn your other hand.
We're going to charge the battery again. We ran out of juice. We only charged it for like 5 minutes when we got it out of the box. We might have to like let it sit for a couple hours. You gotta take the top off. Okay. Don't lose them, RJ.
I'll take the tough ones off.
It's so dusty. Look at that.
You can wash it. Okay.
It's dusty. I can't do it. It's dusty.
It's so fast. You cannot capture to the camera. It's so fast, RJ.
Charge this again, and then we try it again, Daddy.
What'd you do?
Next time when it recharges, Daddy, I want to race it.
Ooh, there he is. It's
Ooh, it's dusty inside too.
You can wash it.
Oh, bring open these things and then grab that.
You got it powered on?
turn off, RJ.
You turn it off? Like the other way.
There you go.
Ooh, dusty. Next time I want to race it. You control it while I race it.
It's hard. There you go.
Now get the...
You gotta wash this in the sink.
Yep.
This time when it turns green in 5 minutes, let's let it run for an hour.
Yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. The video for today. Unboxing of Monster Truck. So see you next video. Bye-bye.